Another Wisconsin company is now joining the fight against COVID-19. Speedtech International, out of Racine, is now manufacturing a part that will be used in ventilators. CBS 58's Tori Bacchius has more.
Speedtech is a company here in Racine that makes cord and cable management products, and for the first time, one of their products is being used in ventilators.
We're excited, that we can be a help and make a difference.
Speedtech International in Racine is now switching gears to help those suffering from COVID-19. Right now they are manufacturing SPEEDWRAP hook and loop fasteners that will be put inside ventilators.
It's a little hook and loop cable tie that would wrap around the hose of the ventilator. Wrap it onto itself, it holds the cables together.
The fasteners will be used in thousands of ventilators produced by General Motors and Ventec Life Systems.
We're all in this together, right? I mean, all of us have that threat that any one of us can get that disease and find ourselves needing a ventilator.
The product is being manufactured, labeled, and packaged up right inside their Racine plant.
I've been with Speedtech for 24 years, and I would say that this is the most important project that we've worked on to date.
The company is also producing fastening units for splash guards that are being worn by medical professionals on the front lines.
There's a lot of pride in it. I think being able to be an essential business throughout this and being able to do our part, I feel real proud of our company.
During this production, Speedtech is also taking steps to ensure that their employees are staying safe. They have spaced out their machines here, and they are also wearing masks. Reporting in Racine, Tori Bacchius, CBS 58 News.